Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, we got the CoinsKid crew. So I've been away for a week. It's a beautiful Turkey, spending time with the family. So I've not been able to make videos for you, but I've been posting lots of tweets on Twitter. And on Sunday evening, I did notice a bearish divergence beginning to form. On Sunday evening, I posted this. Did receive some quite salty comments and things like that, but that's to be expected. But anyway, all I do is relay what I see. Sometimes I'm not always right and not always wrong. It is what it is. It's technical analysis, but there is a saying, isn't there? Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. On Sunday evening, we were looking for the weekly close, and with that, we were looking for a bearish divergence. And like I said to you in the post, XRP weekly, a possible bearish div building up here. The weekly close is coming in hot for confirmation, retracing to the last line of defense, the 786 fib. Be careful long in here, CoinsKid crew. Patience. So I know because of this God candle and this massive breakout, people were getting really bullish, okay, on XRP, expecting it to take out that high. But all you're doing here at the moment, is retracing to this high. If you take it out, obviously you've got another impulsive move, but this is really sort of, it's dangerous territory to go long at these levels. What you do tend to look for is long at support and short at resistance. So what we was printing here is a big bearish divergence. So this was the optimal entry point to actually go short. You could have gone short on the 786 with your stop on the 1 fib as an opportunity to make some money if it went sour, okay? And it has done exactly that, to be honest with you. So there is a saying, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. So, we were looking at this Sunday night. I did post it, received lots of salty comments, but we was printing a bearish divergence, and that bearish divergence is currently playing out, okay? So it basically front ran the news that came out the day later from the SEC that they were suing Binance. So the charts were already telling us. So they always say, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. This bearish divergence and this short opportunity has played out like an absolute boss, okay, for XRP. So let's dive into the XRP chart right now, see what we can see. So looking at XRP on a weekly time frame then, I have got bids down here. I think it's around about 38 cents, isn't it? And we've gone through this particular level of support multiple times. One thing that we definitely want to see here for XRP is this low being held. Let me show you right now, okay? That's a really important level of support, around about the 0.3458 mark. I think that's, to retain this bullish structure that we're actually carving out right now for XRP, we have to see that support held. I think that's a negative statement if we do see XRP lose the support from this low here that we put in way back there in January, okay? So XRP is doing okay, but one thing we are printing here was the bearish divergence, okay? So this is leading to this pullback right now. Now we did trade one way back here. Do you remember this? We got this big bearish divergence, and I remember at the time as well, just like the comments on this bearish divergence yesterday, Sunday, sorry, I was getting really negative and salty comments as well, but eventually we came all the way back down to my minimal target, which was this neckline, okay? Look at that, the ascending triangle, the double bottom pattern, broke out, God candle breakout, fell back to the neckline eventually, and right now we're starting to come back up the stairs. So XRP did break this level of resistance right here, okay, and it's right now coming back up. But one thing that this could be, and it does concern me to be honest with you, because of the 5 waves, is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves there for XRP. So this could be a correction back up to this high before XRP starts another move down here. So one thing that we could keep an eye on, okay, is this green trend line. So if we are going through some kind of flat correction right now, okay, and XRP is putting some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C wave that's flat, then this green trend line could be the sweet spot, okay, and it could be the indication this is simply an A, B, C wave correction, some kind of flat correction for XRP, okay. So the real key thing we need to sort of keep an eye on here, that XRP holds this orange line. Lose that is bearish, okay. It is a nasty little statement because it means you're losing the structure of a potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me show you. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. Right now you're in some kind of complex wave 4 that's possibly done there, but one thing that would confirm it's done is if you take out the wave 3 high. So I still think you're in some kind of flat correction just there that possibly bottoms out, if not flat, if not a little bit lower, and then we go again, okay. So I'm going to keep an eye on the RSI, this green trend line, because you can clearly see every time we come down to it, look at the price section as a hover, that's an opportunity, that's an opportunity, that was an opportunity, that was an opportunity, and right now that was an opportunity. So if this does start to come back down, that could actually be the opportunity. Falling below it could be quite a negative statement for XRP going forward. So at a minute, I wouldn't necessarily jump into any long positions until we start to see the retest of this green trend line for XRP. I think that what you've potentially got is some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C wave, possibly flat, and what we've got here as well in the RSI, some kind of A, some kind of B, and some kind of C wave. You get compressed there, and equally, look, we've got some kind of compression pattern on the RSI as well. So, you know, I still think you're caught in a correction. I still think that these levels that, you know, buying here for XRP is an opportunity, because eventually I think we're going to come up and take out that green line, which is around about 0.5854. So I do remain bullish on XRP still. Okay, so, you know, I wish everyone the utmost luck, but I'm trying to ride the waves with you, trying to find opportunity. We've got this bearish divergence that played out like an absolute boss into support, and right now we've got another one which is possibly playing out like an absolute boss into support again. Okay, so it's getting really compressed in there before big move, but I think taking out this green trend line, we're going to see an explosive move up for XRP going forward, but it has to hold this orange line for the continuation of this bull market structure, which is at 0.3458. Lose that, lose this green trend line, could be really bearish for XRP, and it could see us lose the lows basically from where we've come from. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.